Listen, romance is not enough to build a good relationship. Yes, many relationships are broken because romance is not enough to build a good relationship. So what is enough? Pure love, spiritual love. The absence of spiritual love in many relationships will cause a lot of problems. This is because most people do not understand that the real purpose of life is to develop and to enhance the quality of our love for one another. So I want to talk to you today about what truly is blocking us from success. What's blocking us from success? What's blocking us from successful relationship? The lack of pure love. Where there is pure love, there is a sense of connection, a deep connection in which people walk in synchronicity, in harmony. The weakness of one is covered by the strength of others. And you don't hear people complaining or berating others. You hear people talking about others in a very high level terms. In other words, sense of appreciation. People appreciate each other. People draw out the strength from one another and cover the weaknesses of one another. That's pure love, that's good connection. But where there is absence of good connection, it is a sure sign there is absence of love at a pure level. We cannot build good relationship at the level of physicality. Absolutely not. Our physical interactions are all impure because they are based on what's in it for me. Anytime you build a relationship on the premise of what's in it for me, you are building a house on a weak foundation because it is not based on love. True love goes beyond the physical. In fact, it starts at the level of the spirit. When you're connected at the level of the spirit with a person, you can be assured that your relationship is not about your externalities. It goes way beyond it. You're connected because you care for one another. And most relationships don't go that far. They stay at the level of the physical, which was all about the romance at the beginning, and end there. And that's why many relationships do not thrive beyond the physical. So I'm going to repeat that. Most relationships struggle to go beyond the physical because there's lack of understanding of what true love actually means. If we understand what true love means, we will never again complain about our spouse